of balsamic reduction. If you want to make a vegan version of this dessert, you can substitute the heavy cream and milk with coconut milk or a non-dairy milk alternative, and use a vegan whipped cream made from coconut CRE. M or aquafaba. M or aquafaba. By using these tips and variations, you can create a delicious and unique panna cotta with a smooth layer of whipped cream that is sure to impress your guests or satisfy your sweet tooth. Here are some additional tips to consider when making panna cotta with a smooth layer of whipped cream. To prevent lumps in your panna cotta, make sure to fully dissolve the gelatin in the milk before adding it to the cream and sugar mixture. If you want to add a layer of fruit puree or compote to your panna cotta, pour a small amount of the puree into the bottom of the glasses or molds before adding the cream mixture. This will create a beautiful layered effect. Beautiful layered effect. To easily remove the panna cotta from the glasses or molds, run a small knife around the edge of the glass or mold before unmolding. You can also dip the glass or mold in warm water for a few seconds. To loosen the panna cotta. To loosen the panna cotta. For a fun twist on the traditional recipe, try using flavored whipped cream on top of your panna cotta. Matcha, lavender, or chai are all great options to try. If you want to make a larger batch of panna cotta, you can double or triple the recipe as needed. Just make sure to use a large enough pot to heat the cream and sugar mixture. Panna cotta can be made a day or two in advance and stored in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Just make sure to keep the whipped cream separate until right before serving. By using these tips, you can create a perfectly smooth and creamy panna cotta with a delicious layer of whipped cream on top. Whether you serve it for a special occasion or as a sweet treat after dinner. This dessert is sure to be a crowd pleaser. This dessert is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Here are some more variations and serving suggestions for panna cotta with a smooth layer of whipped cream. For a tropical twist, try adding coconut milk instead of heavy cream and top with a layer of mango or pineapple puree. To make an extra rich and decadent panna cotta, use a combination of heavy cream and mascarpone cheese in the recipe. Serve the panna cotta with a side of fresh berries or a fruit salad for a refreshing and healthy dessert option. For a crunchy texture, sprinkle chopped nuts or toasted coconut on top of the whipped cream layer. If you want to make a boozy version of this dessert, add a splash of your favorite liqueur, such as Grand Marnier, coffee liqueur, or amaretto, to the cream mixture before pouring it into the glasses or molds. Use a kitchen torch to lightly toast the whipped cream layer for a beautiful caramelized effect. If you want to make a festive dessert for the holidays, add a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg to the whipped cream layer and top with a drizzle of caramel sauce.